Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you've misplaced your iPad somewhere in the house, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few steps that can help you track it down quickly. Let's get right into it. First, if you have another Apple device handy, open the Find My app. If not, you can also go to iCloud.com on a computer and log in with your Apple ID. In either the app or on iCloud, go to the Devices section and select your iPad from the list. This will show you the last known location of your iPad, which is a good starting point. Once you've selected your iPad, tap on Play Sound. This will make your iPad emit a loud noise, which can help you locate it around the house. If you don't hear the sound right away, it might be worth searching in common spots. Think under cushions, inside bags, or wherever you last remember using it. It's easy for devices to slip into hidden places without us realizing. Another option to try is activating Siri by voice. To do this, you'll need to have Hey Siri enabled on your iPad. If you also have an iPhone, make sure Siri is disabled on it temporarily so it doesn't get triggered instead. Then, just call out Hey Siri, and if your iPad is nearby, it should respond, helping you narrow down where it might be. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps helped you track down your iPad. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPad and iPhone tips. See you later.